Hi, everybody, and welcome to Cope with Hope. Today I'm interviewing, I hope, both the brothers, Rahul and Monish Rora. They have been doing some wonderful work since the lockdown started, and I'm very keen for all of you to know what they're doing as well. So let me get whichever one is there online at the moment, and let's start this interview. Hi Malini, hi Dhruv. Waiting for Monish. Hi
Hi,
Monish.
hi Nandini, how are you?
I'm good, and where's Rahul?
Rahul is going to be online anytime soon, but I'll take over from here.
Okay, fine. So now, I want to first thank you so much for doing this with me,
You're most
for
welcome.
coming on to Cope with Hope, because I know that you're super busy doing lots of wonderful, wonderful things.
Thank
And
you.
Monish, tell me a little bit about yourself first.
So we're based in Bandra, all of us. We are
Yes,
all in the hospitality industry, my full family. We are
yes.
a third generation running a hotel called Executive Enclave in Bandra. Uh, so this is my background. We've always been in the food and beverage industry and also hospitality and tourism.
Okay, that's great. Now I want you to tell us what you've been doing since the first day of the lockdown till now.
So as soon as the lockdown was declared, it just happened by chance. We got a request from Khar police station, our closest police station, that they required around 50 bags of ration for the migrant workers who were stuck behind their police station. So somehow my friend got a call and he happened to call me, knowing that I have a hotel. So we just started off like that, just to help 50 families. So as soon as I got the call, luckily I had 8 to 9 staff quarantined in my hotel, and we had rations with us. So we immediately started packaging them, and we sent it to Khar police station. And
Amazing.
we realized that we have the systems in place to go out and reach more people.
Yes.
So my friend's wife, Alifia, she started a fundraiser on this website called Keto.
Okay.
So we got an overwhelming response over there. We got a response like we couldn't imagine. So we
Wow.
just put a target of 20 lakh rupees, and today we reached 25 lakh rupees over there.
Wow. And now,
Yeah.
how do you run this? Exactly what do you do? Tell me.
The way we run this is we have our regular suppliers who've been supplying to our hotel for over a couple of decades.
Yeah. And by
They supply.
supplies, you mean what? What is it
So
that
we
they
are talking
supply?
right now. We're talking about dry basic ration. We are talking
Huh.
about things like rice. Talking about things like atta, oil, potatoes, onions. Um, we are also give initially we were also giving things like Dettol soap and biscuits.
Oh, wow.
So so we started getting that in bulk orders in the starting, and then we started putting them in packets in the hotel. So
Okay.
we were getting in big bags, and then we started packaging them in this same place where I'm sitting. You can see behind how we how the onions are kept, how the attas are kept, how the
Okay.
rice and dal is kept. So we
Huh.
packaged them over here, and then we started getting appeals in different slums. So we started
Okay.
sending them over there.
So basically dry ration.
Yes, basically dry ration.
And how is the functionality of this? So you pack it in the hotel, and
Yes.
then how many people do you send these packets to in a day?
So we one packet of ration is equal to 4 people's food for 10 days. That's how we've
Okay.
calculated. And
Okay.
every day we try to do around 200 to 300 families.
Okay.
So we have been getting requests. We work with this NGO called Spreading Smile. They give us the appeal.
Okay.
So we have covered up slums from Reclamation till Bhandup till Dharavir. All these slum areas where we get appeals, we give them to a volunteer over there, and he distributes it in the slums.
Okay. So do they come and fetch it, or does it travel from
It's a
you
mix of
work that
both.
out?
It's a mix of
Okay.
both. Sometimes they send their volunteers, and when they don't have that option, we try to arrange a truck guy or someone we can trust to go there and distribute it over
Okay.
there.
So that's 200 families. And how many people are working at your hotel?
right now it's 8 of us, including me is 9. And today we just completed 5,083 packets just some time back. Yeah.
Wow, congratulations. Okay, now tell me, so what time do you start in the morning?
So we start packaging by 9 o'clock. By 9
Okay,
o'clock, and then our delivery trucks come in by 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Uh,
okay,
we've worked with a lot of other party. Like we have this guy from MNS who helps us out. We have another person from a foundation who helps. So we are not targeting one way of distribution. We have different types of distribution where
okay.
we do our background check and we find it legitimate. We get them on board.
Okay, and what are you doing for your, so there's you plus 8 people who are your
Yes.
cooks or sous chefs or what are
So
they?
these 8 people are my workers in the hotel. Actually, few of them are right here. Uh,
Yeah, let me
so
see
one of
them.
them is an
Let's say hi to them
electrician.
when you
Yeah.
finish. Oh,
Kapil Bansi.
wow!
Idhar
कपिल
आओ.
आ जाओ और बंसी
Yeah.
क्या करते हैं आप क्या करोगे
So
बंसी
he's my
क्या करता
electric.
है
He's actually my electrician.
नमस्ते
Yeah.
आप कैसे
He
हो
he's my housekeeping
नमस्ते
guy. This they can't
ये
hear you
that's
because I have
that
earphones.
okay that's Bansi.
There's Bansi. This is Kapil. They are the real workers. They're the real Corona warriors.
Oh
So
my
they
God
have
bless them.
yeah.
So
He's an electrician. He's a housekeeping guy. I have a cook. I have a utility guy. So
uh,
whoever was stuck in Bombay, we gave them a bed and a room with to stay with us in the hotel. And then
okay
they, willingly, they did everything. They whenever I asked them, well, what can I do for you? It's like they have so much uh, thing inside them to help people out. So they are really God
oh may
bless.
God bless them and may God
Yeah.
bless you yeah wow so what are you doing for you okay so there are 9 of you working what are
Yes.
you people doing for your safety
So none of us go out. We are quarantined in the hotel. Whatever
okay
trucks and packets come outside, we leave it outside the gate, and then we
okay
close the gate, and then the person comes. So we maintain social distancing as much as we
okay
can. I've
okay
provided them with screen masks. I provided them with gloves. Sanitizers, whatever precautions, how much of precautions we can take. We've kind of
yes
given them everything.
okay
Uh, so these guys do not go out of the hotel. They're quarantined in the hotel, and including me. And we've kept our safety from that.
okay and you make sure that you also staying safe and
Yes,
using the
yeah,
gloves and
yes, and we have to.
everything
Yes, yes.
okay
We
okay
actually have my main duty is to raise money from the website, from Keto, and then I place the order,
okay
and then
okay
these guys are doing all the operations of actually getting everything into place and doing
and
it.
putting it
Yeah,
in packets. So is there ever a
exactly.
time when your normal supply guy falls short?
As of now, we haven't faced that yet.
Okay,
I think in the market there is abundance of rice and dal and everything, so that's a good part so far. What we are having problems with is transport. Cops are stopping transportation, and they weren't allowing initially for any movement. Now they've
okay,
understood, and we've got a pass for that.
okay. So you have so this is for the trucks if you, when you call them,
Yes.
when you call them in. But if otherwise somebody else can, hi Rahul, Rahul has come. But is he going to come up or no?
You can ask him to join us.
But
Can you
tell
send him
me
a request?
something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to just send. But he can hear me. Rahul, please come up to the terrace because we want you on this also. Even if you come in the end, that's fine.
Yeah.
But please come. So, what I was asking so, the people who organize the transport,
Okay.
they, I'll come right down. Okay, he's coming down. So, the people who organize the transport, if they organize the transport, would they have an e pass and a letter from the.
Initially, these things weren't sorted out, but thanks to Car Police Station, we got all the essential passes for these guys. So
Okay,
we had to fill a form, and we had
okay,
to give them all the information. And
okay.
they knew it because out of our 5,000 packets, 350 packets have been given to Car Police Station for them to distribute as well. So
Oh.
they know what the work we were doing. So they were very. They did not hesitate to give us an essential pass at all.
Okay, that's right. So let me ask you, let me go to the timeline with you. Your friend called you up to tell you
Yes.
that the car police station has asked for 50 packets of food for the people who were stuck, the migrant workers.
Yes.
His wife Alifa, then you said you have this hotel and you
Yes.
have the infrastructure perhaps to help more people. Alifa then
Yes.
put up something on keto and asked for
Yes.
funds. You immediately got 20 lakhs. As of today, it's
Uh,
25 lakhs.
we yeah we initially we weren't expecting that much money, but
Yes.
we got 70,000 of an average every day.
Okay,
So
that's
some
amazing.
of them we were calling and showing our work, and then once
Yes.
we started made our own Instagram page, and once people started seeing, then
Yes.
they stepped forward and they started coming and helping us out.
Okay, amazing. Your regular supplier supplies everything. The
Yes,
8 of you do everything from
yes,
9 a.m. in the morning till I don't know
yes.
when in the
That's
night. So
the real labor work. Yes.
that's a real live. Till what time in the night?
So it depends. Sometimes when we have a later pickup, they work till late. The best part is the boys are staying in the hotel with us, so they can take a break. They can sometimes do it at night.
Okay,
So they're staying with
okay,
us, so they handle that.
okay. So they do they you make sure that all of you are eating well
Yes,
and
we
looking after yourselves.
yes,
Okay, so 20 lakhs and you get about 70,000 every day. Every day you send out 200 packets at least.
yes,
You try and work with different NGOs, so you're not just stuck with one lot of people. If people can't get to you to distribute the food, you make sure that you can supply it. I mean, you're really an angel on earth, let me tell you.
the real
Yeah,
angels are
you
these
and your
guys who
team.
these guys are the real angels who have been doing
Yeah,
sweating.
we need more people like you, let me tell you, on this planet. I mean,
The way I can ask for help from you is, or all the listeners who are listening, is get onto our Keto page, see our work, spread it,
yeah,
maybe share it, and maybe you can help us so we can continue to reach more people and more families.
yes.
Because the lockdown is not looking like it's going to close anytime
No,
soon.
it's not. So
Nor are
what
the migrants.
exactly, yeah, so what
Sorry,
exactly do you need? I'm so sorry.
uh, we need to spread awareness about what we're doing, and we need to
Yes,
get more funds in this so that we can scale up our operations. If we're doing 200 bags a day, we need to do 400 bags a day and reach more families and reach more migrants workers who are stuck here. Because honestly, they don't have any news from the government or help from the government that they can go back to their villages anytime soon. Nor do they have work over here where they can earn their daily wages.
yes.
So we just need to support them and help them to at least get food on the plate so that they can survive this coronavirus crisis for now. And once the trains open up for them to go back to the village, that would be a relief for them.
Yes, so Monish, so you're saying that right now the help you need is funds?
Yes,
Is that what you're saying? You have enough people?
yes.
You have enough
Uh,
people?
we also have contacted other hotels like us. There's one more in Car where they can pick
Okay,
up operations like us as well.
okay,
So they can start packaging as well. They can start making ration bags as well.
okay.
Because we've received a lot of appeal. Right now, we have 1,500 families appeal pending. These are
Oh,
families all over Khar, Danda. They are families in Pali Pathar. They are in Ju Koliwada, in Worli Koliwada, in Bhandup, in Govandi, in Dharavir. All these slums, we have lots of appeals pending. We don't have a lot of funds to finish all of them, but we are trying to do whatever we can from our end.
okay. Those of you who know hotel owners or, like the Executive Enclave,
Yes,
those of you who know people who are very rich, those of you who know people in the transport business, please, please, please get in touch with Monish through
yes,
the website, through the
yes.
Instagram page.
Through our
Uh,
Instagram page.
and please, please, please just keep posting and reposting this video. I'm going to put it up very, very soon. Um, uh, and please make sure that they get the help that they need, because without food, I mean, what is there? There's nothing if you can't
It's
eat.
it's it's basic, and I'll just tell you the price of our one ration works out to be 500 rupees. That's
Okay.
food for 10 days for people for four, a family of four. So 500 rupees is, a drink in a club
Yeah.
for some of these people. So,
Yes.
come out there, help this out, and then, let's reach as many people as we can.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. And another thing I was going to ask you, so you're not in South Bombay at all.
We are in Bandra right now.
Yeah.
South Bombay is a bit difficult for us to reach, but we have taken care of Worli Koliwada. That's the maximum we've gone.
Oh, that's a very difficult place as well. Everybody's so
Yes,
sick there.
yes,
And
it's in
what
lockdown.
about the in front of the Four Seasons Hotel? There's some slum areas there.
Correct.
You are you there as well? Have you gone
No,
there
we
as
haven't
well?
reached there yet. We haven't reached there yet.
Because I know
So
some people are desperate there as well.
yeah. So these appeals, if you have someone, please put forward it to me, and we
Yes.
will send someone from Spreading Smiles or anyone we can trust over there, get a requirement, and then we can send it as well.
Okay, it's amazing, yeah, how you got everything in place, really.
Love it. Rahul is here as well, yeah?
Hey,
One second.
Rahul.
Hey there, Priya.
Hi, hi. Thank you
Hi,
so
how's it going?
much for. How are you?
I'm very good.
You're very good. Thank you so much for doing this.
Show as well.
Can you
It's
hear
very
me?
kind of yes, it's very kind of you to do this for us,
Oh my
you know,
God.
to help us get the message out. And
You're an angel. I mean, come on.
yeah, I'm immensely proud of my younger brother. You know, he and his friends, Zach and Aditya, who have
Yes.
taken this as a full-time profession. You know, and I'm just glad that I can be there to support him with whatever that he needs. You know, in terms of as a family member, as well as from a point of view of the business. And it's just been a great ride just to feed so many people. It's been a privilege. In hospitality, this is the biggest thing for us is to get, you know,
We
दुआएं
can't hear you very clearly.
इससे दुआएं लगेंगी. You know how we say in hospitality.
Ha ha.
That's what we actually do. What we do for.
हाँ. इससे क्या लगेगी?
दुआएं लगती हैं जैसे लोगों की
हाँ,
अच्छे
दुआई
दुआएं
लगती है बिल्कुल.
Yes, exactly.
हाँ.
इससे बड़ा क्या है? You know, for us, we feed
No.
people so that we just get a good little appreciation for them. Oh, your dal was good. Oh, your butter chicken was nice. I mean, हम लोग तो छोटी छोटी दुआओं से खुश हो जाते हैं.
हाँ जी.
ये तो हमें
ये
बहुत
तो
अच्छे गरीब लोग अच्छा दुआएं देते हैं. You know,
आपको
so it's
बहुत मिलेगा. All the angels in heaven are blessing you.
yes, and one of the things that I was through your medium, maybe other people, you know, who have money, who have resources, who can maybe get a few employees here and there, start with a little help with people, at least in your areas, wherever you all are. See, ultimately,
Yeah.
see, there's no government who's going to come and help to
Yeah.
understanding that there is no angel hand that is going to come and help you. It is up to us to make sure that the society is
Yes.
lifted again from this COVID crisis.
Yes.
And
I agree
if
with you.
we can do it, anybody can. You know, we are not rocket scientists. You know, I'm pretty
No.
sure anybody who's watching this video can like probably think, okay, I can start with maybe 10 people tomorrow, 20 people tomorrow. You know, at least
Yes.
my people, my society's down people, maids, waids. You know, we can start with few people here and there.
Yes. I agree with you. I mean, may really God bless you, you guys. Yeah.
Thank you
It's
so much.
amazing what you're doing.
Yes.
It's
No, it's
amazing.
I told you that's all the hard work that Monish and his friends have put into it.
Yes.
From our point of view, we have the suppliers, we know the people. You know, we can have organized a little bit of help here and there. That is what has kept actually this good cause going for all this while. It
But
was a
you know,
pleasure
to have a
speaking.
good support system is also very good, Rahul.
Yes, very important. We are
Hai
blessed
na?
with generations, right? Like
Yes.
we God has been kind to us to have us a property like that and be in the right industry in which we can actually manage something as basic as food rations. You know,
Yeah.
that can help. See, and what happens with those rations is that they go into a household and it will be used if today, not 5 days later, 10 days later, 20 days later.
Yes.
It is going to be like a buffer for them. You know, हम लोग कहते हैं ना इंडिया
Absolutely.
में we cannot print money, but we can grow ration. And
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
it should be, you know, if today for 3 months also, if all the poor people are fed, we can somehow hold what we call our society.
Oh, very well said. Very well said. If for 3 months people are fed, we can hold our poor society. Absolutely.
Everybody has to do it. You know, don't like send funds to us. Take it upon yourself. Yeah? Tell a few friends of your kitties or this, there. Come on, let's get together. Let's do it for 2,000 people here. Let's do it for
Yes.
1,000 people in Gorai. Let's do it for our area here.
Yes.
Ultimately, people have to start taking charge on their own.
Yes.
They have to make sure they stand up because there's no this disease is so selfish.
Yes.
Except our frontline workers who are braving it out for themselves, the richest of the richest are hiding in their, you know,
Glass castles.
UV lighted UV lights
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
sanitized and you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely.
with him because
Thank,
it's
thank you,
his
Rahul.
moment. It's his
Yes,
moment. He's the guy.
yeah. Hey, so Monish.
Yes. Hi.
Okay. Anybody else is out there that you can introduce me to?
Oh, they've
That was
just gone to
Kapil
eat
and
lunch.
Bansi.
They've just gone to eat
Okay.
lunch. I wish I should have told them to be around.
Have you
But I
eaten lunch?
no, not yet.
Okay.
But I can just show you around how we've received our ration for the day.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
this
Show
is how
show me.
this is how we get it over here, and
Okay.
then we sort of make bags. It's looking very untidy today, but we're gonna make bags like that and keep it ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then who are you sending it to today?
Today we have an appeal from Dharavi. We need to prepare 120 bags for Dharavi, so
Okay.
we're just working for that right now.
So they'll come and collect it? People
No,
from
this is
somebody from.
this we've collaborated with this NGO called Spreading Smiles. They
Okay.
send their volunteer and then they distribute it over there.
Okay. So now tell me, how many kilos of rice do you put? Like exactly the breakup of everything.
We have 3 kilos of rice,
Okay.
3 kilos of atta, 2 kilos of dal. We do 1 liter of oil, 1 kilo of potato, 1 kilo of onion, 500 ml of 500 grams of salt, and 1 liter of oil as well. So it works out anywhere between 500 to 520 rupees.
Okay. Tell me on your website, on your Instagram page, do you have a photograph of this with the
Yes, we
amounts?
do. Yes, we do.
Okay. I'm
So,
robbing that with for this.
yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead, please.
Okay. Because I'll put it with your video so that people
Yes,
know and in case they can
exactly.
do it. Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
Any tips you have for anybody who'd like to start something like this?
Yeah, they can start small. They can basically start from someone who is, uh, you know, like looking on the road or, people who need help just around them, like Rahul was mentioning, and just provide them with basic ration as well so that their
Yeah.
house has some sort of food, That's important. So,
Yes.
even if you help one person at this time, it's very, very, it goes a long way. Small can go a long way.
Yeah. It goes a long way. Your parents must be so proud of you.
I have no idea.
You have no idea. What rubbish. Of course they will be. Okay.
Oh
Now,
man.
now, now some other stuff that I want to ask you. What does
Yeah.
hope mean to you? The word hope.
Uh, Hope is that little fire inside you that keeps you alive, especially through dark times. It's the only light where you can be optimistic in life, I guess. So it's very, very important to have any sort of hope in you, always.
Yes, that's true. And what do you see as a way going forward
In terms of the crisis,
in terms of the crisis, in terms of Monish's life, in terms of general?
oh, I'm always optimistic, so I always think the future is bright. Uh, just be nice to everyone. Everyone's a human being. Just be nice to everyone, and those are more important things than running behind money or running behind other things. Or I just think life has a very simple formula, and that's just to be nice to people, and people will be nice to you, and just be genuine and nice, and then the future falls into place.
Yeah, oh, very well said. Amazing. Any last words of wisdom you have to give to everybody?
I don't have I don't have much of wisdom, but you can probably share something.
Well, all I want to do is tell people that please follow suit. Please, if you have the money, if you have the resources, do follow what Monish is doing. If you can set up something in your area, please do it because that's really a blessing for people who don't have. And we are privileged. We have so much in our lives. So we should really be giving and serving as much as we can.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So should we see if there are any questions for you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so your brother says, don't panic, be organic. Yeah, Rahul, that's a very good one. Don't panic, be organic. Uh, mm, I am in this for the fundraiser. Mayank Gupta says he will raise funds.
Nice.
Somebody else says definitely will help. Monica Raheja says all of you are angels. I know, amazing. You guys are amazing. And somebody says now, Monish and Rahul have also been helping us when we fall short of packages for our relief. Monica. Mayank says, you guys are all real heroes. Thank you so much for this. Doing a fabulous job. I finally get to see Kapil, says Monica. You are inspirational, sir. To you, Monish. Somebody has said that. Super, great, clapping hands. Wow. I know, wow, this is all amazing. My daughter Tara Alicia Berry says, thank you guys for doing the work you are doing. It's just amazing. I totally agree.
So
Like,
sweet.
may God help you in every which way. May God always bless you. And may your 8 workers be blessed also.
Yeah, they are the real heroes. So I will convey your message to them, and thank you so much.
Please. If you can send me a photograph of them, I want to put that up.
I will 100% send it to you right away.
Yeah, and if there's anything new that you're starting or anything else that you'd like to say, just like send me a message and I'll interview you immediately.
Done. That sounds great.
I'm there for you.
Thank you.
Always at any time. Seriously.
Thank you so much.
Okay, this is my mission in life, to be able to help as much as I can.
Thank you so much.
You're
really
welcome,
appreciate
dear.
it. Thank you.
Really.
You have a
guys
good day.
are just, thank you. My angels, thank you.
No. Thank you.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Yeah, see you soon. Bye. Lots of love and a big hug to you and to your brother and to all the workers.
Thank
Love you guys.
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.